Hello, Micklejohn, third graders. It is time to make your ceramic poppies. To start this, you will need 2 clay circles, 1 clay triangle, a little bowl of water, and a pencil. Next, using your pencil, you will cut 4 lines into each clay circle. Do not go to the center. So notice how these start about the halfway mark. The center is empty. And then come in and cut through. You do want to cut all the way through to the table when you're doing these. Step 2, with your pencil, scratch the center of each circle. This is the first of our 3 S's, which are scratch, slime, and seal. And you can see that both circles of clay, the centers are scratched with the pencil. What this does is it creates kind of a Velcro. So when we put those 2 pieces of clay together, they will help stick and stay together through the firing process. Next we have step 3. Slime the clay. This is your second S. Sliming the clay is where we take just a little bit of water on your fingertip and put a little bit on where you scratched. When you're doing this, you are creating kind of a glue. So when we take those 2 pieces of clay and put them together, not only do we have the Velcro, but now we have the glue. After you slime that clay, you're going to do step 4, where you're placing the 2 circles together. The scratch centers should be touching each other, so they're facing together. Press them down so they seem to stick. Step 5, now you're going to begin to form and smooth the petals. The petals will help support each other in standing up. So we'll lean them against each other. We can push them or pinch them gently so they can help each other stand up. This is also a good time to start smoothing out the edges so those petals look really nice and smooth. Next we have step 6. Step 6, you will take the end of your pencil. It does not have to be with an eraser. In fact, I prefer that you did not have an eraser. Just a pencil without it is fine. You're going to take the end and you're going to apply the texture for the center of your poppy. While you're gently pushing down on the clay, you will also be attaching these 2 pieces together firmly. Don't do it too hard or you will make a hole in your clay. Step 7 and 8, you are going to repeat the scratch and slime. You're going to scratch the bottom of your poppy and you are going to scratch the leaf so you can place those 2 together. Don't forget the slime step as well. Now you do want to press those 2 together firmly and we'll smooth the leaf on the back, which is your third S. When you're done with that and you know your leaf is really attached to your poppy, you're going to take a toothpick to write your name, grade, and teacher on the bottom of your poppy. And I usually like to apply this to the leaf. If you feel like we can't read your name, grade, and teacher, you can have Mrs. Allen help you. And here is your example. First name, teacher with just an initial, and grade. Lastly, I want you to check your work. Have you successfully attached the 3 clay pieces using scratch, slime, and smooth? Do you have your name, teacher, and grade on your poppy? And have you placed your poppy on the class board? If you are reaching for a 4, which I hope you are, you have done everything in the 3, and you have checked to make sure your poppy has nice, smooth edges. You have added details in the center and maybe some lines on the leaf. And of course, you have done your best work. Have fun, and I can't wait to see them when they come out of the kiln.